The sweet world of buttercream frosting. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's loved by bakers and sweet tooths alike. Buttercream frosting. Whether you're a fan of baking shows or love decorating cakes yourself, understanding what buttercream frosting is and how it's used will surely add more flavor to your English language learning journey. Let's get started. Buttercream frosting is a popular type of icing used in cakes and pastries. It's made by creaming together butter and powdered sugar to create a soft, spreadable frosting that can be flavored and colored in countless ways. There are various types of buttercream frosting, including American, Swiss, Italian, and French buttercreams, each with its own unique preparation method and texture. The basic ingredients of buttercream frosting are simple: butter, powdered sugar, milk or cream, and vanilla extract for flavor. The key to a perfect buttercream is the ratio of butter to sugar, which determines the frosting's sweetness and texture. Sometimes, additional ingredients like egg whites, chocolate, or pureed fruits are added to create different flavors and consistencies. Buttercream frosting isn't just for making cakes and cupcakes look pretty. It also adds moisture, sweetness, and flavor. It's versatile enough to be used as a filling between cake layers, coating for the outside of a cake, or decoration with the help of piping bags and tips. From simple swirls on cupcakes to intricate flowers and designs on tiered cakes, buttercream is a favorite among bakers for its ease of use and delicious taste. Room temperature butter. Always start with butter that's soft but not melted for a smooth, creamy texture. Sift the powdered sugar. This prevents lumps and ensures a silky, smooth frosting. Adjust consistency. Add more cream or milk to thin it out, or more powdered sugar to thicken the frosting, depending on your needs. Flavor creatively. Beyond vanilla, consider incorporating lemon zest, espresso powder, or cocoa powder to enhance your buttercream. And there you have it, a sweet dive into the world of buttercream frosting. Whether you're planning to bake a cake or just curious about this delicious topic, we hope this video has enriched your English language learning experience. Remember, baking is not only a way to treat yourself but also a fun opportunity to practice your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy baking and learning!